are going to love the 2018 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, air conditioning, cruise control, hands-free link system, compass, CD player, trip computer, outside temperature gauge, remote keyless entry. Come see the car for yourself.
I'm Mike Murphy, owner of Mike Murphy Ford. I appreciate you visiting our website and hope you find it helpful. We would be glad to answer any of your questions, send you more photos, arrange a test drive, arrange financing. Just let us know how we can help. We get it. Price sells cars.